Alright, so I'm disputing because Lily, Stevie, and El Porky, they definitely either flutter IPs or whatever. They don't hit, but they definitely do something. Alright, so this is the match before them. I haven't had any internet problems. You can see there's the match there, and here's the match here. Here. Let me file. Oh shoot. My bad. Properties, I bet it is. I'll show you what time this was at. So that's July 14th, 2014. 13 minutes ago. Was 18 minutes ago created. 13 minutes ago is when I ended it, I guess. I don't know. But here you can see. Oh, that's the beginning. That's inviting him. Oh, why was I recording that? Alright, so before that, 38 minutes ago. Good internet, perfectly fine. You can see my 4-bar multiple times, I bet. Here you see the 3-bar playing on their house, so that's why, but let's fast forward so you can see the 3-bar again. So that was 38 minutes ago. It's also 3 in the morning, 3:45, and yeah. So here I sent him a message saying that they're hitting, and that's what he said. So there was me with a 4-bar. So 4-bar, then 4-bar. Well, spectating 4-bar. Yeah. But you can see me skipping 1 bar. So 1 bar, 1 bar. I think Connor loses this. So I go back to a 4-bar in this round when it's 3-2. So they tried to make it look like, oh, we're not hitting because we went back to a 4-bar because they were expecting to win this round, I guess, but because that round really doesn't matter if they're playing 1v2 next round. So 4-bar this round, see, and then 1 bar next round. Last round I get a 1 bar. Just 1 bar, and it's just 1 bar for the last round. So yeah, they're definitely fluttering, and then